You don't eat it.
Don't eat it, Thumper. There's better stuff inside. Get it, Thumper. Get it.
You don't. I don't think you're supposed to.
Get it, Thumper.
Look! Don't eat it!
What'd you get, Thumper?
She's like, oh, food. She needs her wrapping paper.
Open that up and see if she know what it is.
What are you doing?
Thumper.
Don't eat. You're not a very smart bunny. Yeah. She's like pushing it though.
Oh, yummy treats. Breakfast.
Did you get a Christmas present, Thumper?
Okay, now come on. We got this. We do the
Holy buddy. She stuck her head right. It's like, you're one weird rabbit, that's for sure.
You're the one that taught him. Your boobies are going to fall right out there.
Because I don't have a sweater to put on yet.
Okay. Let's
Oh,
go back.
Thumper!
Did you get a nice Christmas, Thumper?
Okay, I don't think you need any more. They're high in bunny sugar, you know. Bunny diabetes.